We're probably going to hear some very difficult news from the Premier today. We're going to hear that the number of people admitted to hospital is going up. The number of people in intensive care units is going up. So the threat of COVID-19 has never been higher in our community. We've done well for a year to try to limit the spread of COVID-19, but I'm asking our community to dig down a little deeper, to try to do your best to minimize the number of contacts we have in the community. As well, please stay within KFL&A. We remain one of the safer areas in Ontario. Minimize your travel. Stay to your home as much as you can. Minimize the number of contacts you have in the community. Together we'll get through this. It will be a very difficult April and May now. And we've had great success in the past. I'm sure we can repeat it going forward. But I have to tell you from my heart that this is going to be a very difficult time. And we all have to do our best to limit the spread within KFL&A. We're doing okay, but I'd like our counts to get lower. We're now seeing older people in our community test positive for COVID-19. That's a risk that they may need hospitalization in a week or later. And right now, our hospital is trying to do its best to protect those from other areas of our province that require intensive care unit. So thank you all for all you've been doing. Dig down a little deeper. It's a difficult time. Get outside, exercise, walk, bike, hike. Stay connected electronically to those around you, but please don't travel. Stay within your household as best you can.